everybody, it's Neil, and I have a little doggy, and so I wanted to get a little leash for her. So I got myself this one here. I actually got a blue one, and I also got this red one. So this is going to be it here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. It says it's made by PetSafe, and it's got a good clip on it. You can see here with the little rotating thing, so it won't get twisted up. And it's got that, so that'll clip onto her collar when she has a collar on. And then I've got the rubber band here, but I'll show you guys the rest of it here. Oops. Where did that go? Here. And so here it is, and then here's the handle part. It's got a good size handle on it, so you can put your hand around it here, or I know what I sometimes like to do is go like that, so then it kind of cinches onto my hand. But there we go, and this is the leash, and it's nice, about 6 feet long, and this one here is red. There's also a blue one, so super cool. Thumbs up.